How to upload long video on Facebook stories. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your App Store or your Play Store, depending on what device you have there, and make sure that you have updated your Facebook and your Messenger application, because it's a new feature actually. Because the older versions are you can the older version is you cannot actually download more than 30 seconds. Now there are actually two ways here. You can either go here to your Facebook and tap on create a story and then choose the video. You're only given 1 minute there, and basically all you have to do is to tap on done and tap on share. The other way to actually upload, for example, let's say you cannot upload more than 30 seconds on your Facebook account or your Facebook story. So you can try here to your Messenger. On the bottom part, you'll see four options here. Tap on stories and click on camera here. Now under camera on the left side, you will see this square, your gallery. Click on that and then choose the video that you want to add. Now if you click on that, you will see here the trim icon. Click on that, and here, as you can see, on Facebook you can only upload up until 60 seconds, but if you create a story on Messenger, you can actually create, or you can add the whole 1 minute and 36 seconds. Tap on done here and tap add story. As you can see here, we have successfully uploaded a long video on our Facebook story, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel to show your support.